We're working with a soil laboratory back in Illinois, where we send samples back there bi-weekly, having the soil analyzed, watching our pH levels, watching our soil nutrient levels to see if our soil is coming up. Now, we've also had some great benefits in putting humus in the soil, because we have Mother Nature helping us with Grassifolius agitatus and its companion Weediforus agitatus. And we have developed a herbicide this year that has been very, very effective. We call it the Christmas herbicide, a Santa Claus special. It's called Ho Ho Ho. And we have about 47 of Santa's elves out there ho ho hoing. And so all of that Weediforus and Grassifolius agitatus is being put back in the soil as well. We've grown alfalfa in the soil and we've turned it under and mulched it in, and we've let it lie in the soil through the winter to release that natural proteins and that natural nitrogen back into that soil to build the soil. As we're rotating crops out and putting barley and soy back in to rotate that under the ground and build the soil. You can't take from Mother Nature and not give back and expect to have balance. And if we are stewards of this planet, we have a responsibility to take care of this planet so it will take care of us.